Alright guys, at another auction here. They won't let me record during the auction, but I can go through and we can kind of look at some cars. We can go through each car, how much I want it for, what kind of bids was going on it. This auction's not as big as the one yesterday, but I'm going to be bidding on this car, hopefully getting it at a good price. What I do before the bid, I'll come out here, I'll look at what cars I want, I'll write them down on the list, I'll go through, I'll check the underneath them, check the engine, look at the motor mounts, drive them. They got a little test track over here. Drive them real hard, so check the brakes, and see if they're good cars. If they are, we'll bid on them. But like this, nah, it's not for me. Somebody will get a good deal on it, but it's not for me. Now this would be, but if you go and look at the miles, that's more miles than I want. So, yeah, there's somebody on test track. But you name it, the vehicles are out here, and if you can see in the back, they even have campers and stuff like that. Now this truck, I could bid on it, but there's no way I'd win it, so I probably wouldn't even waste my time. Though I might drive it just because it's a nice truck. Just test drive it, play with it. That's the fun part about being an auction, but I'll do it after I get done looking at all my vehicles. Auction starts in about 30-40 minutes here. Vehicle like this would be something I would bid on. Good color, nice interior. Come and look. It says 145 on the miles. This is 2017. It really only has 145. No way I'd win it, but I'll look at it just in case. They probably wrote the wrong miles down. Anyway, like I said, we'll pick back up on the video. I'll try to get some during the auction, but I don't think they'll let me. But I'll pick back up on the video afterward and show you guys what I got. And then the next video I do, I'll make sure I'm driving. Get y'all some of the driving time on the vehicles, let y'all see what I'm looking for. Pretty fun job.
Them guys, it's good. And they're going to get out 20, I'm not going to get out 2 grand, they're going to get out 1,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 8, 9, 9, 10, now they're going to get out 11, now they're going to get out 11, now they're going to get out 10, now they're going to get out 1100, and now they're going to get out 11, now half, now 11, now they're going to get out 10, now 11, and now 11 bid, now they're going to get out 10 and a half, 1100, and now 11 bid, now they're going to get out half, they're going to get out 11, and now 12 bid, they're going to get out 1200, Eddie's out, they're going to get out half, and now 13, now half, and now 13, 50, and now 14, now half, they're going to get out 14, now they're going to get out 14, now half, they're going to get out 15, now half, you do it, 14, now no wiggle, and now they're going to get out 14, now half, everybody done, 1400, sold it, 1400, 236.
Won this truck right here at the auction. After auction fees, it was 4,200. Anyway, crew cab, 2004 model. Pretty nice truck. 113,000 miles. Anyway, thought I did pretty good on it. A little rip in the seat, of course, but overall, this thing is pretty clean. No lights on, anything like that. It's got the graphics on it. Got the built-in bed stuff, which we'll probably take out, but you know, it's there. Anyway, I'll move to the next vehicle. Alright guys, here's another one I won. It's 2013 Chevy Cruze. Pretty clean. Got a couple of scratches on it, as you can see. After fees, paid $42.70. But it's clean overall. It's 130 on the miles. Got the luxury interior, 2 color tones. It's got my link on here. All the lights go out in the dash, of course. It's a nice car. Got it for a good price. And it'll make somebody a good one when we go to sell it. Alright guys, this is the last one I bought today. As you can see, the bumper clips need to be redone. But this thing I got for $37.50. After fees, it's a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Overall, pretty good shape. Like I said, the bumper clips, you know, needs a little cleaning. But besides that, it's a nice car. Reach your hand. Let's start this one up real quick. It sounds like it might need a battery. Alright, well, needs a battery. A little missing something there. It needs a real good cleaning. But it's got the sunroof and everything. I mean, this is a good price car. Got a good deal. So anyway. Alright, well, I'll keep you guys updated on other ones we buy. And maybe we can get some better deals.